Hello dear students. Today we will study real numbers for class 10th. Topic under this is revisiting irrational numbers. Learning outcomes of this topic. At the end of this video you will be able to prove that the given number of the form under root n is an irrational number where n is a prime number. Secondly, you will also be able to prove the questions like 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Students, all of you know that real numbers are formed by combining rational numbers and irrational numbers. So today we will study real numbers, especially irrational numbers. Before this, we have this result. If a prime number a divides b square, then it will divide b. We will use this result to prove today's topic. Now the question is, prove that under root 2 is an irrational number. For that, first step is under root 2 is a rational number. Now if it is a rational number, then it is equal to under root 2 is equal to p upon q, where p and q are co-prime integers. Especially students, you have to keep in mind that p and q are co-prime integers and the denominator q is not equal to 0. Co-prime means the integers, they have no common factor except 1. After squaring both the sides of this equation, we will have under root 2 square is equal to p upon q whole square, and which implies that 2 is equal to p square upon q square. After cross multiplication, this q square will go to the left hand side and we'll get 2q square is equal to p square. This is our equation number 1. Thus, this equation 1 shows that p square is a multiple of 2. Hence, 2 will divide p square, and by the previous result we can say 2 also divides p. If 2 divides p means p is a multiple of 2, so p is equal to 2r. This is our equation number 2. Now we'll substitute this equation number 2 in equation number 1. After substituting, we will get 2q square is equal to 2r whole square, and after opening this whole square, 2q square is equal to 4r square, and 2 will cancel out with 4, and finally I got q square is equal to 2r square. Now this shows that q square is equal to the multiple of 2. 2r square means multiple of 2. It means 2 will divide q square and also it will divide q. Hence 2 is a multiple, 2 is a factor of q square. And in the previous equation number 2, we have shown that 2 is a factor of p. It means 2 is a common factor of p and q both, which contradicts our assumption, because in the starting we have assumed that p and q are co-primes. Hence our assumption is wrong and under root 2 is an irrational numbers. Okay students, now on the same procedure, by following these steps, you can easily prove the questions like under root 3 is an irrational number or under root 5 is an irrational number. Now the next problem is, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Here under root 5 is an irrational number. Now for the step 1 is let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. It implies that 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p upon q, where p and q are integers, simple integers, and q is not equal to 0. Now I shift this 3 to the right hand side, so it is 2 root 5 is equal to p upon q minus 3. I take LCM, then this is equal to p minus 3q upon q. Now shift this to the right hand side, so under root 5 is equal to p minus 3q upon 2q. Now we have p, q, 2 and 3 are all are integers. Now we know that integers upon integer is equal to rational number, right? Now right hand side becomes rational number and left hand side is under root 5, which is irrational. So we get irrational is equal to rational, which is not possible, students, because one side this is rational and one side this is irrational, so they are not equal. Hence our assumption is wrong, and we can say that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. I think, students, all of you understand this process, and you can easily now prove the questions like this. Now, students, homework for you. First question, prove that under root 5 is an irrational number. Second is prove that 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Thank you, students.